If you need any work done, come to Caribou Crew.
Amen, bro. What's going on, guys? Matthew, Caribou Tuning. We're here today with the Z. It's up on wheels, as you can see, because we got a little bit of a problem. I don't know if y'all remember we were talking about it. It has a slight oil leak. We kind of figured out what the oil leak is. Mousa, say hi.
Hello.
That boy Mousa in the cut. We're gonna be doing some things with the Mustang today, but got the Z up on wheels just so we can take a look at it. And unfortunately, the oil leak is from the rear main seal. So that's gonna be a blast. We're gonna have to unmate the transmission, drop the transmission. Actually, we're gonna have to undo the exhaust, undo the drive shaft, and then unmate the transmission, and then redo the rear main seal, and then put everything back together. So that's gonna be a fun job. Definitely gonna put that off for a little bit. But today, Moose, you wanna tell them what we're doing on the Mustang?
Today we're changing the spark plugs for my Mustang. I had a cylinder 3 Misfire about 2 days ago after we went to the drift event because we were hauling ass.
Yeah, no, we were. Damn, it happened after that.
It happened right after that, so.
Yeah, me and Mousa were doing a few pulls on the way to the drift event for a little funsies. And yeah, so started misfiring on the boy. So we're gonna get some 400 spark plugs in there. We'll be good to go. Alrighty, boys, we got the engine cover off, that carbon fiber engine cover. And then we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 engine coil packs out. It's always important to keep your coils in line because if you mess up the order when you throw them back in, the engine will stumble and bumble and not run right. So now, literally all we have to do is take these spark plugs out, throw the new ones in. Got those new bad boys right here, pre-gapped, ready to throw in. Got the that boot lube as well. Always important to have your boot lube, boys. So yeah, take these spark plugs out real quick. Handy dandy. Working with the tools we have. We had to use adapter on adapter and then a reducer to another adapter. But you know, hey, it works. Gotta get these spark plugs out. So get these spark plugs out, throw the new ones back in, and we will be back on the road, boys. Tell you what.
Look at that.
It's really not that bad. That's not cylinder 3, so this one wasn't the Misfire one.
That's actually not that
It
bad.
is still black, so compared to a
brand new
one here, show you the difference. Definitely a pretty big difference. But this one will definitely still run an engine. We're gonna wait to see. This is cylinder 1, so actually I don't know the order of this engine. To me, this is cylinder. I'm calling it cylinder 1
because it's the closest to us.
Yeah, because it's closest to us. But that to Ford, that could be cylinder 1. We don't really know. So. But we will know which cylinder 3 is once we pull this spark plug out. At least we should. So, but yeah, this is a new spark plug. So the difference there, you know, brand new, shiny, dusty, cruddy. So we're gonna put some boot lube on this, some lube her up, throw her back in, and then do the other 3.
So guys, yeah, we're out here today making the YouTube video. Very nice to meet y'all again. Love the Caribou Crew. We got the towel out to make sure that it doesn't get on the paint or anything like that.
That's up Moose's paint. It's a nice Mustang, man. And according to Mousa, he's about to get a GT.
I know.
So we gotta keep this thing nice to keep the value up, so he can get a nice GT. You know
nice 5.0.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I gotta do the maintenance on it, keep it running good.
Running, you know, erase the codes when it's time to trade it in, and.
Wait, what? Erase the code? Damn. That's wild.
This is the Caribou house. Reminds you of Fast and Furious, doesn't it?
This is some real, like, dream stuff, honestly, guys. We're out here working on a flipping turbo Mustang. Got the G just chilling, Honda Civic just chilling. The Z up on wheels, jacked up, chilling in the garage.
What a setup. I actually like your fitment. I don't think the fitment of your car is that bad. I think you're just a perfectionist, bro. I think you're just a perfectionist. I think he's just a perfectionist, and.
But you cannot look at that
and tell me it's not bad.
You cannot look at that and tell me it looks good.
It's not bad. I've seen way worse.
Okay, well, okay, show him this. That God, where'd my hand go? Where'd my hand? You know what I mean? Compare
No,
it to.
bro, I don't think your fitment's that bad. My fitment is, bro, look, that's horrible.
But that's half a hand. I could get my whole hand in mine, bro. That's not bad. All you need is wheel spacers.
Yeah,
and you're
for the rears and the fronts. But I don't want to do that just yet because I'm trading it in.
Exactly, we're getting a 5.
We're getting a 5.0? Yeah, exactly. A roaring V8 that the neighbors are going to hate me for. Cold start in the morning, cold start in the afternoon, and cold start at night 3 times a day. Don't mind my thumb, guys. I smacked it with a hammer at work.
Guys, it's hard being autistic in life.
Guys, it can be hard being on the spectrum sometimes. Our mind goes 1,000 miles per hour every hour of every second. And so we lose our train of thought.
So this spark plug device here has a rubber boot to grab the spark plug, and the last spark plug ripped it out. I'm having trouble getting it in there even again for the next spark plug. You know what I mean?
All we gotta do is just put it back in, and we're good to go. There we go. First shot.
Where's the new spark plug?
New spark plug's right here.
Do not want to cross thread spark plugs.
No.
That's a nightmare. You'll be redoing a whole top end. Be redoing all your head studs. And with spark plugs, you really just want to, obviously more in the hand tight, but you do not want to tighten the crap out of them.
Yeah.
You'll break the spark plug. So really just kind of get them nice and stuggy poo right about there. We're good.
Think about being tucked in at night. You don't want to be tucked in too tight where you can't move. Nice.
Now we do 3 more and we're a big chunk.
Spark plug number 2 or 3.
Or 3, yeah. We don't know.
We don't know. There's only one way to find out.
And we pull her out.
Which is weird. I think it may be left to right. Actually, I don't know.
It might be from the driver. That
From-
kind of makes sense. Like, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4. But who knows?
Let's see how bad this bad boy is.
Definitely charred, but really not that bad either. That top part looks worse than the last one. The ground for the spark.
It looks a lot darker for sure.
Yeah. So. And the engine was having a misfire, but it was also still running fairly
It was still
normally.
going
Like, it would
100.
stutter every now and again.
Yeah.
But, so,
We're just starting in the morning. You could definitely hear it.
yeah.
Definitely hear it in the morning.
So it might have just been kind of starting to go out. But yeah, I mean, they're definitely due for replacement. So grab the next one. It's actually a beautiful day today.
It is. Usually we've been having such rainy, dark,
I know the sun's
sad
actually out
weather,
today.
bro. Like just sad, rainy weather.
It has been a very sad, wet summer. Spark plug number 2
Spark
going in.
plugs number 2.
Yeah, go straight down on the nail. Nice and smooth with it. Make sure you feel it's going on nice and easy. If it feels tight, back up. That's what she says.
Solid life advice right there, guys.
Guys, if if it has trouble going in, you did not get her wet enough.
Yeah, go ahead,
Let
grab
me
the
tell you
loop and
what,
put it on
She
it.
might not like you guys. I'm sorry to tell you.
Sorry to tell you
It's
that.
as dry as a bone.
You might want to reevaluate your life choices up to this point,
You might
honestly.
be a stone. I know it rhymed.
There's no shame in your game.
No shame in being lame.
There's no shame. Just disappointment. No shame. I promise. Just disappointment is all.
It's disappointing because we want better for y'all.
We want better for y'all, and that's
We
it.
want better for y'all, and that's all. Booyah. Alright. Going for number
With
three.
3.
This could be the one. Could be the one. You know, I'm sorry, Mousa. I know you want a Coyote. Everybody loves V8s. Everybody loves V8s and twin turbo V6s
Yeah.
and big turbo inline 6s. Inline 6s are better. But there's nothing like just a classic inline 4. These are the easiest motors. Bro, this spark plug job is gonna take me and Mousa like 30 minutes tops.
Yeah, it's not
On
gonna
a
take
Coyote,
long.
we'd be sitting here for at least an hour. At least an hour.
Yeah. It's just a matter of how much do I like losing to
Disease.
Z's. It's really the Z's, bro. It's the 350s.
It'd be the Nissans,
It'd be the
man.
Nissans, bro. And they driving on the highway. You look at me, we start revving. I'm like, okay, cool. We do a little 40 roll, and I'm not there. And I'm just like, you know what?
Be able to put them in their place.
Can't do that anymore. I physically can't. I don't want to get it. Ooh.
I don't know about you, Mousa, but this one might be looking the worst.
Yeah, that looks.
Looks pretty rowdy. So, compared to her. They're all pretty
They're pretty the same.
similar. The tip on this one's actually still white. Those aren't. Who's to tell you? I'm not a mechanic.
I'm not. I just a guy that likes cars.
A guy that likes cars, you know? Works on them sometimes.
Next thing is taking off the black paint, black plasti dip on these wheels.
Yeah, we gotta power wash those
We're gonna
off.
power wash those off.
That's super.
So, guys, when I got these wheels, they were plasti dipped, so you can literally just like scratch off the plasti dip, and it's chrome underneath. And I don't know why anybody would cover up chrome with black plasti dip, but got it for a crazy steal, $100 for all 4.
Can't beat that.
Can't beat that, really. Plasti dip and all, no bends, no nothing, bro. Crazy.
3 going in. Oh, we losing shit. We
Bird
need a
circle.
gun so bad.
Why was that done?
No, I'm saying no, not for the bird.
Oh.
I'm saying for
I was like, bro, the birds are chirping. I
We
need
need
a
a
gun.
no, that's not what I meant.
Perfect.
One more, boys.
One more.
And that's the other thing, less cylinders, less work. I know I'm repeating myself, but shit, if we had a V8,
Less
we'd
money, too.
almost only be halfway done.
This was only
We're already
$50.
on this
It was like 43. I had to get
for the Sparks.
Yeah, I had to
that
get
would have
a-
been double the price too.
some
Just OEMs.
quick snack. Grabbed a
Oh
quick-
yeah.
Grabbed a quick snack, so
Needed some candy.
needed some candy, bro.
That's how they get you, man.
That's how they get you.
Put the candy up front.
Up
You go
front,
in for
just
something
it's
simple.
$1. I might as
All of a
well.
sudden, you're spending 20 extra buckaroos.
Yeah,
something really
bro, I have a really bad sweet tooth. I was waiting because there's lemonade inside. I was gonna pour me a glass of lemonade. Amazing.
Guys, working out in the sun daily, I might be one of the most dehydrated people to ever exist, bro. And I drink an absurd amount of water too. It's not even funny. It's not fair.
Some way, somehow, I still.
I'm always thirsty.
You're always thirsty.
We're gonna extra glue this one.
Just for precautions.
I like this one.
That's your special one.
Cylinder 4 is my favorite cylinder.
It's a cylinder you always call back.
Yeah.
It's a cylinder that knows she's not going anywhere.
I think cylinder 4 gives the most torque. I don't know why. Probably not true. It's probably all very engineered very evenly, but cylinder 4 is my saver.
Because it's the last one.
I think
it has
it's the
to.
most powerful.
It's the last one. It has to, right?
It has to be.
Last line of defense is not gonna give out.
It's cylinder 4. Did I ever take the old one out?
No.
Oh, this one?
Did you? No, there's only 3 here. We never took the old one out. We were just chit-chatting. Chit-chatting. It's because it's cylinder 4.
Yeah, cylinder 4. See, that's why I like her. She keeps me on my toes, cylinder 4. I was so confused. I was like, what's
I was like, why is it not going down? Cylinder 4.
Oh, cylinder 4. Could be cylinder 1. We don't know.
We don't know. What a dirty, dirty girl.
Oh, cylinder 4. You dirty girl. We're gonna get you right, cylinder 4. Nice, new, fresh, sparky for you. We know cylinders like sparkies. And air. And fuel. And timing.
Easy. Boom. Boom.
Now we throw our coils back in order, plug everything back on, throw the cover back on, plug the battery back on, throw our trash, put our tools up, and crank this little whistling
Sneezy girl.
the sneezy girl.
She's a
started
sneezy
up.
girl. Her
She's
allergies
a
are really
sneezy
bad.
girl. She's like that orange Challenger in cars. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the one with the long
The headers?
The headers, yeah.
Massive headers.
Girl, you're so sneezy. I think I need a tune, bro. Cause I heard like if you add a part, you're supposed to get a tune, right?
Well, not like
If I add
like
cold air
maintenance, but
intake
yeah, if you get like
and stuff like that, upgraded something, I want to have a
You
tune.
don't necessarily have to, but that's how you get like the most power out of that upgrade. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like if you just get a cold air intake and then don't really tune the motor, you probably won't get that many horsepower gains because the motor doesn't know that it's even getting more air because it's programmed to us. You get what I'm saying?
Bro, can we can increase the boost, can't we?
Oh, for sure.
Like right now?
By ourselves.
By ourselves,
without
no?
an ECU, without like a tuner to click into the ECU and like change stuff, no. But yeah, we can. But you want to know? I don't know how much boost these motors bottom end can handle. How many pounds does it run stock?
Like 6, right? I think it's 6.
I don't know. I don't really know.
I think it's 6. I'm thinking maybe taking it up to like 8 or 10 just to be.
This is why you pay attention to what you're doing.
Oh, everything was off by 1.
Whoa, dude, don't call me out like that. Nobody saw it. Nobody saw jack shit.
There we go.
It's cylinder 4.
Cylinder? It's cylinder 4.
She's just back there looking at me. They're menacing eyes. Here you go, cylinder 4.
Extra love.
Here's your coil. You dirty whore.
You heard how she went in? Cylinder 4 is nice. She's a pro at this. It's what I call experience. Breaking the fourth wall. Bro, if I was a superhero, I would love to break the fourth wall.
Oh, the wall.
Like Deadpool,
The
like how,
media wall.
like yeah, like how
Breaking
Deadpool
the-
talks to like
Talks to the audience.
talks to the audience.
He knows they're there. But
He knows he's in Marvel and every bro. Literally, I would fucking love that shit. Cause just like, bro, you could do so if you know you're in a comic, bro. If you
Imagine like people's reaction. They would think you're like something
insane. They would think you're like
Imagine like we were
psychotic.
just having a conversation right now and be like, so guys. Bush would be like, what the fuck? What's wrong with you?
Bro, and then imagine like you're in a comic book, so you just turn to the next page.
To the next, yeah, you know what's happening.
You know what's happening. Like you know what's gonna happen on the next page. So you physically turn the page and go into like the next scene. Crazy. At that point, bro, you're literally a god.
Yeah, pretty much.
Cause if you have like
You have control over time.
control over time. Yeah, literally. So it's just like, bro, who's gonna stop you? The writers?
I guess, yeah.
Like the
Okay,
the
well,
writers.
That opens up a huge philosophical question. Do you even have control? Because technically somebody's writing everything.
Yeah.
And if you're breaking through the fourth wall, like, does Deadpool know that somebody's writing? If Deadpool's talking to the audience, does Deadpool also know the writer? Or is Deadpool completely unaware?
Oh, damn.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because like
does
if
he
he's
know
aware of
he's,
the audience, you would think he's also aware
of himself. Yeah.
And the fact that he's a character.
Yeah.
You know what
and
I
that
mean?
he doesn't have any like
That-
free will. Technically,
Yeah.
everything's already like planned out.
Planned out. It's all a script.
So I think that's why Deadpool acts the way he does
That's because he does know.
because he does know. So he just like, I know how the story's gonna end. So like whatever I do right now
Doesn't matter.
because I know
writers
how
will
it's
just
fix it.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. So he just be doing whatever
He should be doing whatever he wants. That would make
We're getting deep on it.
that would make a lot of sense for his character, bro. Like a lot of sense. And why he acts the way he does. Yeah, Marvel, if you're listening, give us a script.
Give us a script, guys.
Give us a script. We'll kill it. Caribou X Marvel, the collab. Now that should be pretty sick.
We took the side fenders off the Z, guys. Doesn't look too bad. Some stuff is going on the other side of the car. We might tell you about it one day, but yeah. Some stuff may have happened. I may be an idiot. Let's see if she stumbles or if she sounds good, boys. Batteries all hooked up. Sounds good. Hell yeah, boys. What are you gonna say, Mousa?
If you need any work done, come to Caribou Crew.
Amen, bro.